Okay guys, welcome to Dow Stock Talk. In this one, I'll be giving you an update on my Arrived Home portfolio. Arrived Home initially allowed you to invest in vacation homes, but now they brought it into just rental property in general. But I'm going to give you an update on my Arrived Home portfolio. If you want to see a more in-depth video, just check the suggested videos. But in a nutshell, it allows you an online platform that allows you to invest in rental properties. Now, and I'll go over all of that. Currently, the portfolio value is $734. My initial investment was $700. I didn't do it all at once, so I did maybe $100 here, $200 there, $300 there, and so it wasn't all at once. Appreciation, that means as far as the increase of the house of the price of the house, and the rental income. So as you can see, the rental income, they only for the portfolio. This is how with the investing platforms they normally do. They do not include the rental property for your portfolio balance. The portfolio balance is they only include the actual what they call value of the house per share. So the rental income is not included. The portfolio balance only shows the value of the appreciation, not the dividends, because dividends is just paid straight to your bank account. But anyway, so this one is one of the rental properties I have. Let's see. As you can see here, this property is in, I believe it was, let me see, what was it? Oh, North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina. As you can see, I like the way as far as making the information very easy to see. I haven't actually even looked at this in a while. But as you can see, as far as the dividend, rental income, 3.4% yield, $3.40. My equity, 10 shares, up 23% or $23 each share. I believe it's $10 a share, which would make sense. And as you can see, I believe receiving dividend every quarter, 80 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, 90 cents. And my initial investment on that one was December 27, 2021. So just giving you guys, and if you guys just want to briefly see, what this particular property looks like, here it is, you guys. Here it is, nice place there. Yep. And as you can see, that one, don't want to get too far off track. So the next one is, this one's upstate South Carolina, long term. And by the way, the first one I had for 14 months. This one I owned February 2022, so this is 13 months. And let's see. All right. So the rental income, I earned $4.90, a yield of 4.9%. Equity up 11%. So now it went from $100 to $111, 11%. So as you can see, they also have they go through, like, if you want to see the financial statements and stuff. I'm not really going to go through that too much, but I just wanted to kind of shows you the dividends that I've been paid quarterly. And as you can see, the initial investment February 1st as well. So my next one, this is in Alabama, the Dogwood, had this property for about 8 months. Now, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, as far as the evaluation of the house, they didn't have, for some reason, I'm not exactly sure when they're going to value the house. So the appreciation on these, whether they increase or decrease, I wouldn't know yet. So they're only showing the amount of money I got from the dividend. So the house evaluation, they say it's updated every 6 months. So I guess we would have to wait to see what would it be with these vacation. Well, these are most of these ones is vacation ones towards the bottom, and two. Well, it looks like we have 3 long-term, and the other 2 is vacation rentals. All right. So anyway, let's go to the Dogwood one. For its rental income, the yield is 3.4% year, $1.70. 10 shares I've got. So I've gotten they've just been showing me the dividend payment that I've gotten for quarter 3, 2022, quarter 4, 2022. 2022 as well. I got that July 1st. Now let's go over, this one is Nashville, Tennessee, Dolly. Okay, I have 10 shares of that. As far as the rental income, yield 3.2, it's $1.60. So as you can see, I have, as far as the dividend payment each quarter, 80 cents. So like I said, the total of $1.90. And that is that. So let's go to Indianapolis long term, and let's click this one. It's same thing as well, just receive the quarterly dividend payments of 80 cents, one for quarter 3, one for quarter 2. So we yield that. Now, okay, so vacation. So the vacation rentals supposed to yield 5.2 a year. Rental income, I received the quarter dividend fourth quarter dividend 2022, $1.30 there. Let's look at say with this vacation rental. So this one is going to look a little bit, a little nicer. Yeah, looks a little nicer there. Don't want to hold you guys up too. Okay, so I believe I clicked this one. Did I go over this one? Yes, I did go over this one. And this one was in California. This is another vacation rental. This one is actually pretty nice as well. Very nice, very nice. By the way, if you guys have any questions, make sure you let me know in the comments below. As far as the dividend income for 2022, quarter 4 for 2022, $1 there. I got this September 9th, 2022, $100. So as you can see, as far as the rental income, the yield 4% a year off of rental income. Now, as you can see, when I've picked up a few, 5 months ago, 7 months ago, and as you can see, the oldest one I have is about 14 months and 13 months. Overall, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just going to really, with these real estate investing platforms, I'm really looking at how well they can do over a longer period of time. So I'm just kind of just watching it. I do have quite a few other real estate investing platforms as well. You can check the suggested videos. Let's just check out and see, as far as the new investments, what they have up there. So it looks like they have it where you can search, like I said, the newly built ones. You can have it where they can notify you, or something like that. I'm just kind of clicking around. Actually, let's get out of that. Let's see. This would always happen. Now, oh goodness. Yeah. Let's just go to home. See if we can get that off of here. There we go. All right. So you got it where you can pick by appreciation focus. Leverage means heavily bought on debt. Vacation homes, all. So it looks like they have a variety of things. A lot of I noticed properties was like down south, but they are branching out. Arizona, Oklahoma, so they are branching out, but a lot of the property I've noticed was more so like down south. But let me see. All right, yeah, but that is particularly it, you guys. I don't want to hold you up too long. Just wanted to give you an update on the portfolio. Also, once they, give me the new appraisals for the last, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll keep you guys updated. I have 7 properties so far. I tried to pick them in different states to be a little diversified. We had one California, Arizona, Indianapolis, Tennessee, Alabama, South Carolina, North Carolina. So I tried to definitely pick different states to be diversified. But yeah, that concludes this video. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel.